Hello to you once again. Welcome to the second installment in Strategems of Chess, White to Checkmate in 4 moves from the first edition 1817. Now, as I explained at the beginning of the first installment to this series of problems, there is an instance of self-blocking, and it will prove to be no exception in this problem. What is worthy of note though is, and as is so often in so many of these problems, White has to find a checking move because Black is threatening to promote this either to a rook or a queen and give check with immediate effect. So what is the key move here, and what is White ultimately wanting to do in the middle of the board? Well, at the moment, you see, he would like to play here. The double problem with that is that the knight is able to take it and the king has a flight square. So what we're going to have to do here is to stop the king having a flight square by blocking that square, self-blocking, and getting rid of the knight. Can you see what the key move is? It's not an obvious key move because it seems rather pointless, especially in view of how White plays his second move. But congrats to those that have found it. It is knight e7 check. So what's the story here? Well, the story quite simply is that Black has no option but to take that knight. He cannot move his king anywhere. He has no flight squares. And he can only take it thus. That's one move in this mate in 4. So what is the second move here? And I did say it does seem a rather pointless move when you see White's second move. Well, I did mention self-blocking here so that there's no flight square. It's this, isn't this the most amazing of moves? Because we've already deflected Black's bishop to e7. Now he has no option but to take it there. But we've achieved our objective number 1. He's self-blocked on c5. There's no flight square for the king. We still can't play d5 though, because this knight is in the way. So how do we get rid of that knight so that we can play d5? There's a clue and a half there. Well, yes, bishop e4 check. That's the point. And what does he have? He can't interpose anything. He has no flight squares. He has to take that bishop. And now, yes, that is an amazing checkmate. White has been reduced to a king and 2 pawns, and this is just protecting b6. But what a protection it is. And that is checkmate. I trust you enjoy that one. Be sure to watch out for the next one. And goodbye to you.